Hey everybody, excuse me. Just get home right now. Yeah, and then I just go out to see the message from one of the student, and she just sent a message now. She from Side B Khayelitsha. She from Side B Khayelitsha. Another student, she from Nyanga. Another one from Phillipi. So they send me this question. They say, hey Mr. Hamish, or the official say, Mr. Hamish, you're not fair at all because you only tutor engineering 30 and 4th year and some grade 12, but me, why you don't do grade 8 and grade 6 and grade 7? I'm struggling with the long division method. So and another one also, she's complaining the same thing. She's struggling with the long division method. So let me just have them long division and reminder. They say they struggle more specific with reminder. They have a problem with reminder theorem. So okay, it's fine. I'm gonna be fair. And their goals, and the intention of this program, for this program, is to have the girls, to motivate these girls so they can believe themselves and they can solve their own problems. So let's just go to the business as usual. And thank you very much. She also, the one from Nyanga and Phillipi, her name's the other one is Nokutula. She said, Mr. Hamish, I even asked mom to send you all the questions. She didn't send you all the time. She only sent you right now. And tomorrow I have to submit the assignment. I don't understand how this reminder theorem works. So let me show Nokutula from Nyanga, and the other one from Side B. Her name is, excuse my apology. Her name is the one from Side C. Her name is what's her name? Let me see. Excuse me, just a minute, just a second, please. Lerato. Her name is Lerato. So let's solve the question, right? And the other one, her name is Siamo. Okay, let's go. Let's go and solve this question quick. Let's get to the business as usual. Okay, so we're gonna have to prove this this very quick. So I'm gonna write some equation here, some of the equation, excuse me, for long division method. Excuse me, just a minute. So excuse me, just a second. Turn the computer quick. Oh, so that side I couldn't see. Thank you. So let's see some of the equation. For example, let's take a long division. So we're gonna do long division method division. So I'm gonna give, let's say 4, 7, 6, 2. Divide by 4. So this is a linear division method. So let's do long division method. So first of all, take this number here and then put it in. Because you take this number, you divide it by 4 people. So we're gonna write this one number in here, 762 divided by 4. So divide by 4, and then what we do now, so you take all this number divided by 4. Let me use out a pen. Excuse me, So what we're going to do here is go long division method. So take the first number, which is in, divided by the number which is outside. So we say 4 divided by 4. You have 4 in there, divided by 4 people. Everyone is going to get 1. So you divide here, and they get an answer. 4 divided by 4, 1. And they take this answer, multiply by this number. So you say 1 times 4 equal to 4. And then you subtract. 4 minus 4, nothing, 0. So 0 cannot divide by 4. It's too small. So okay, 7, come and help me. So this 7 is going to come down. So we have 7 oranges, or we have 7 balls. Nokutula says she play netball. So Nokutula, you have 7 netballs. So you want to divide it for 4 people. So how much each one is going to get? Each one is going to get 1. So 1, whichever answer you get here, you multiply it by this number. So this one, the second answer, multiply by 4, you get 4. And then every time you get, what you do, you subtract. Top number minus the one at the bottom. 7 divided by 4. 7 minus 4, you get 3. So 3 is too small. You have 3 balls, a tiamo, and then you want to divide by 4 people. No, it's too small. So, hey, 6, please come and help me. So the 6 is going to come down. So you have a 36 ball. 36 ball, you want to divide by 4 people. So how many balls each one is going to get? Each one is going to get 9 balls. So you have to go back to times table now, right? Next time, when you ask me the question, Nokutula, Tiamo, and Lerato, make sure you memorize timetable. Okay? So now, 9 times 4, you take this number again, you multiply again. Whichever number you get here, you multiply here. So 9 times 4, you get to 36. So we subtract 0, 0. So we don't have nothing divided by 4. No, it's too small. So okay, 2, please come and help me. 2 is gonna come and help you then. So you have 2 balls and there's 4 people. Nah, it's not gonna be possible because our ball is too small. So this we're gonna call it a reminder. So this is our answer, 119, and our reminder equals 2. So we're gonna say 119 and reminder 2. So our answer is 119 reminder 2. Okay, let's take out example. I'm gonna show you 3 examples. Let's take out example. So the other question is say, excuse me. Okay, let me take a difficult one. 9, 7, not difficult, but a little. Okay, 9, 3, 4, 7, and then divide by, let's make these 8 and then divide by 9. So let's change this to long division method. So for long division method, so now we take this number here, divide by 9. Okay, let's go. So just like we say, let's write this in long division method. So we're going to write this number because we take all this number divided by 9. So let's write inside the house. Let's call this box or head, okay? Our heart, so 8, 7, 3, 4, 7, and we divide by 9. So now we do like how we did on previous question. We say 8 oranges or 8 mango, divide 8 balls, divide by 9. No, it's too small because you have 8 balls and there's 9 people. It's never going to be enough. So now we're going to say, okay, 7, come and help me. So how many balls? 8, 7 now. So 8, 7 balls divided by 9 students or 9 players. So how many balls each one is going to get? Each one is going to get 9 balls. Please go to times table and memorize. I don't want you to tell me, Hamish, I can't remember. Can I please start count? 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3 is unacceptable. I don't want that. I want you to memorize timetable. Okay? Next time, before you send the question, I'm going to test you the times table. Okay? So now, how 87 divided by 9, how many 9 in 87 or 87 balls divided by 9 people? Each one is going to get 9. And then 9 times 9 equal to 81. And then what we do, we do the same thing. We subtract here. So we take the top number minus the bottom. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6. And then 8 divided 8 minus 8, nothing. So we take 7 minus 1, 6. And then 8 minus 8, nothing. So 6 balls, 6 orange, 6 mango, 6 chocolate. Then there's 9 people. Come on. It's never going to be enough. So please, 3, come and help me. So it's going to be 63. So 63 divided by 9. 63 balls divided by 9. You see, that's what I'm saying. You got to memorize timetable. Now it's going to be 7. So 7 times 9 is 63. And then we do the same thing. We subtract. 3 minus 3, nothing. 6 minus, nothing left. Whew. So 4, please come down. So this 4 is going to come down. It's going to be 4 here. So 4 balls or 4 chocolate or 4 sweets or 4 whatever 4 divided by 9. No, 4 is too small for 9. So what we have to do, okay, so this is very important. If you drop a number and then if you drop a number and you try to divide, still it's not enough, you must say 0. Only when you drop and then it's not enough. I'll say it again. You see, we drop this number here because here we had 0, 0, and then we drop this 4. 4, please come and help me because I don't have any balls. So 4 came. But you drop a number, but the number didn't solve your solution. So if it didn't solve any problem because you have only 4 balls and you divide by to 9 people and still was not enough, so you say 0. Only when you drop a number. Only when you drop a number. Only when you drop a number. And then if it's not enough, if it's not enough to divide by any number which is there, and then it says 0. Only when you drop a number. Okay? So now 4 is not enough, so now we're going to say, okay, 7, come and help me. So it's 47. 47 balls or 47 whatever you have, 47 divided by 9 people, we're going to get 5. So 5 times 4 times 9 is 45, and then we subtract. Now we're going to get 2 here, 7 minus 5, 2, and here nothing. So we don't have any number to help us. So only 2 balls left, and the 2 balls we can divide to 9 people. Too small. So for that case, we say okay. So that's our answer there. But this is a reminder. So our answer is 9705, and reminder 2. So you're gonna say okay. So our answer is 9705, reminder 2. If you take 87347 divided by 9. Let's check out the example. Okay, so you have 6, 7, 2, 4, 6 divide by, put a number, let's say 9. So let's write this in long division method. Let's change your pen now. So let's change your pen and write black pen. So okay, so we got, let's put in long division. So 6, 7, 2, 4, and 6 divided by 9. So 6 balls divided by 9 is too small. Miss Hamish, why you don't write 0 now? You say it's too small. Why you don't write 0? We only write 0 if this one is not enough. See, so if it's not enough, let's call 7. 7 can come and help us. So it's like we ask for assistance. If this assistance cannot divide, is when you say 0. But I will say 6 or 7, so it can divide. Means it's possible to divide. But if we could have called this 7 is not enough, and then we say 0. So we say 6 or 7, but it's enough. So 6 or 7 divided by 9, we get equal to 7. So 7 times 9 is 63. And then let's subtract. Top number minus the bottom, we get 4. 6 minus 6, nothing. Subtract here. And then we drop out 2. See, why we drop 2? Because 4 is not enough to divide by 9. So we drop 2. 42. Can 42 divide by 9? Yes, it can. But if we couldn't, let's say if we couldn't be able to divide by 9, and then we say 0, but it can. So 49 divided by 9, we get 4. 4 times 9, 36. Now 2 minus 6, no, it's 2 is too small. So please, let's borrow here 1. So we borrow 1 is going to be 12. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So here, remember, we borrow 1, 2. This now became 12, so here it was 3 left. So 3 minus 3, nothing. So we drop 4. Why you drop 4, Miss Hamish? Because 6 cannot divide by 9. So we draw 4, and then you get 64. So 64 balls, or 64 sweets, or 64 anything, divide by 9 is going to be equal to 7. And then 7 times 9 is 63, and then we subtract again. 4 minus 3 equal to 1, and this is nothing. So can 1 divide by 9? No, it's too small, so we have to drop a number. Please, 6 come and help us. So 6 is going to come here, it's going to be 16. 16 divided by 9, we're going to get 1. And 1 times 9 equal to 9. And then we do the same thing, we subtract. 6 minus 9 is too small, so we take the whole 16. Minus 9 equal to 7. Do you have a number to help us? Nothing, so this is a reminder. And 7 cannot divide by 9. 7 too small. 7 balls, or 7 orange, or 7 whatever you have divided by 9 people. No, it's too small, so we're going to say this is left. We cannot give to anyone. We're selfish. This ball, they're going to stay here. So our answer equal to 7471, and it's a reminder 7. Please let me know if you have any problem. If your child had a problem with the long division method, with the reminder, please let me know. I'm going to show you the other method in the next example. Other methodology. There's 2 other methods that you can solve this. I'm going to show you the U, Lerato, and Siamo, Lerato, Siamo, and Nokutula. If you have any problem, please let me know. And when you have a problem, if you have an equation, send me earlier. You see, because Nokutula, she said, oh, I gave to my mother, but my mother, she took long time to send to you. It's not my fault. Okay, so next time, just make sure. If you think your mom is just going to forget, you can just have a phone and say, Mom, I just want to send question to Hamish by my own because you forgot the other time. And one thing, make sure you memorize times table, right? All you students from Google too, from informal settlements, because that's our target at the moment, like informal settlement like Khayelitsha, HanOver Park, Khayelitsha, most especially Khayelitsha, Nyanga, Phillipi, Mfulene, all the informal settlement, right? Informal settlements, ECAS, see, Ekuruleni, Sisulu. You can always send me a question at a time, right? And like this program is more for the girls and children. And if you have any question, please let me know. Don't afraid of me. And yeah, thank you so much. So I think it solved the problem. So if they have a problem, they're free to ask me anytime. And you have a child or your daughter, your son, most for the daughter and girls, just feel free to get to me and ask me the question you want to ask me. And thank you for your time, I appreciate it. So I hope they won't have a problem with this in the mind of theorem. If they do, please feel free to send to me. And this is Mntwana Wa Bantu Academy. Don't forget to subscribe, like button, share to your neighbor, to your friends, to your co-workers, children, to your neighbor, to the children on the streets, whoever, share with them. Feel free anytime. And like I say, ask me anytime. Midnight, ask me. Send me SMS, send me YouTube. I'm gonna solve your problem. Thank you.